All right, in this video, we're going to be making the spring handle holder that is going to hold the rubber band. This is the drawing, what it's going to look like when it's done. It looks a little bit more complicated than it is. I'll try to break the video down and make it a little bit easier for us to build. So we're going to start by creating a design of a circle. The circle is going to be the handle part. This has a diameter of 1.6. We're going to go ahead and extrude that a distance of 0.25. Okay, I'm going to create another sketch. This will be a circle concentric. This has a diameter of 1. All right, I'm going to go ahead and extrude this a distance of 1. Whoops. Deselect. Try this again. 1.5. Okay. Now I want to cut this in half. So the easiest way to do that is to create a sketch. I'm going to use my rectangle tool. I'm just going to make sure I'm on the center here. I'm going to click, drag it out, making sure that all of this is, selected. And then I can extrude it away by going back, cutting it off. All right. So now I have here a flat view. I'm going to go ahead and create another sketch on this plane. This is going to be a circle that's going to hold the rod. We're going to go 0.27. And I want to extrude this back. Negative 1.5. Okay, now we need to make a spot for the rubber bands to nest into. Okay, and that is this here, these little channels that the rubber bands are going to nest into. This circle here, or this rod and this hole are going to insert into each other. They're on opposite sides, so we only have to make one part and this will clamp in. But this little channel right here is for the rubber bands. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm just going to create a rectangle. And I'm going to drag it up about 1 inch. Whoops. And I want it to be 0.15. Okay. Now I want to dimension this, from here to here is 3.65. So I want this centered here. So I'm going to just do some math. 3.65 minus 0.15 divided by 2. That's what the distance from here to here should be. Okay, so 0.365 minus 1.15 divided by 2. It's not what I wanted. Okay, so it's doing a little bit of order of operations, which is what I was afraid of. So we will use a real calculator. And we're going to do 0.365 minus 0.15 equals, oops, did my math wrong. 0.365 minus 0.15 equals divided by 2 equals 1/10. Okay, so the spacing between here should be 0.1. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to draw a rectangle. Should be 0.15 thick, 1 tall. Then I'll take my dimension and dimension it from left to right. 0.1. Okay, now it's centered. We're going to take a line tool, connect these 2 lines at the top, and then we'll do the same thing here, connecting those. This distance from this line to this line, 0.2. Okay, Then we're going to take our fillet, and I want to fillet these at, we'll go 0.15, enter. Then I'll take my trim any lines that I need out. Now I should be able to go to solid and extrude and select these. I do select that. Extrude this one and this one. Okay, and I want to go down, not too far. Negative 0.1, hit enter. Now it looks like I left some material there, so I'm going to go back and hit a Control Z. And it looks like I left some material, so I'm going to go back to solid, extrude. Okay, and I want to go down negative 0.1. Let's see if it took out all my material now, which it did. Excuse me. Last bit, take our sketch tool. We're going to draw on here the two circles. So the dimension of this circle was 0.15. I'm going to dimension it left to right here. 0.185, 0.18. Okay. And then from here to here. 0.5. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. Draw a circle. Okay. This one, I'm going to make a little bit bigger because this is going to be our hole. So I'm going to go 0.16. Okay. I'm going to dimension it left to right. 0.18. And then dimension it down. 0.5. Okay, so now one is going to be extruded out. Okay. So this is going to come up 0.2. Now I want to see that same sketch that I just drew again, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go extrude. I'm going to select this. I'm going to go down negative 0.2. Okay. Sure it did go through on the other side, which it didn't. And there's our part. Go ahead and save it. All right, this is called the syringe. Sorry, I'm in the wrong class. The Pinball rubber band handle. I'm going to save it. And I do need to save it as export it as a STL. All right, go ahead and good luck making it.